until you start seeing you. Oh!
There was something. Neshi, I have to tell you something, bro.
Alright?
Wait. I'm gay.
You go charge a head. No,
like we have a connection.
There's nothing to think about.
There is.
There's nothing to think about. Kishapka vibe.
You won't understand though, like the way I feel about you.
After check when a man top rice when
That's our victim right there, man. That's our main victim. The man.
Number
let me look for him now.
You say entrance number 3.
Entrance number 3.
Entrance number 3.
You said you would make these. That's not make these, bro. That's a different brand.
Say where was that?
Bro, I told you, give me 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Explain yourself, Baba. Explain yourself. You already know who this nigga is, right? That's that shit, man. What's poppin', bro? You good?
Oh, what's good, man?
No man. Say hi to my people, nigga. I've been telling this guy to open a YouTube channel, guys. Hey, what the fuck, nigga? No, stop with the sassy shit. What the fuck? I've been telling you open a YouTube channel, nigga. So, bro, this guy. Hey, his drip check. Hey, man, don't look class.
Drip check?
Man, nothing fancy, bro. You feel me?
Yes, sir.
I even got slides on, man. Tight shit, man. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, man. One more time, man. Thank you for 5K subs, man. We're aiming at 10K. This 2025 is going crazy. And then supposed to should open YouTube channel. This nigga got crazy content. Trust me, let's get straight into the video. No more playing games, bro, like for real. Hi babe, man, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I'm going all out for y'all. I don't know if you can hear me properly, but like I'm trying my best, man. So you already know who this is, right? This nigga is popular.
It's your boy Neshi K.
Straight up, man. You feel me? How's you feeling today, my boy?
Feeling scrumptious, feeling exquisite.
You're feeling supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
That's the word, my guy. That's the word.
Straight up, dude. So like, boy, obviously the people know. Like, actually, my people wanna know, why don't you have a YouTube channel?
Because I've never been so serious with content.
Imagine.
I normally just post on TikTok, bro.
You have motion on TikTok. This nigga has like over 20 something K. For sure, when I drop this, nigga will already be on 25K or 80K.
But yeah, I've never taken, content creation too seriously. I just post on TikTok, and that's pretty much it.
Hey, you covered my car, bruh. Scoros everywhere. How can you go on a drive through with a car that doesn't have a what's that, boy? I'm sorry, you say the Sunday look bad like a move. I bought them pasta there. I'm not taking face. Them pasta say move at the end of it. Like, bruh, like I wanna ask you personally, creator to creator, how does it feel like having emotions, right? Like,
I won't consider myself that I have motion, but for the kind of numbers that I have on TikTok, oh, that feels amazing. I'm gonna lie.
It must.
Feels great, bro. Feels great. But we're still young. Still haven't made it yet, but still pushing, bro.
Straight up. So like, in 5 years' time, where do you see yourself?
Bombastic
side eye.
Bro, I see myself big, bro. Moneyed, bro.
Straight up.
Big time. Nah, big time.
How will you get money when you don't want to open a YouTube channel?
Of course I will open one now. What you saying, my guy?
You must do it now. What's your body count? It's not me. It's
like what you mean body count now?
Like what? Bro, you know body count like.
My guy. Teaching me like that.
This one is teaching. Guys, I don't know if you can hear this one. There's like something that's screaming, nah, no, like, yo, my cast is weird, man.
Ah, my body calm, my boy. Yo. Aye, but I'm pushing for my 6 today.
6?
Yeah.
That's not bad. Now I'm on 6, Kalam. No, I'm not on 6 though, but my girlfriend will say this video. I'm on, I'm on, oh my God. I'm on 1, only my Jeff. Like, when are you planning to get married?
Not anytime soon.
Yeah, me personally, I feel like as a person you shouldn't like get married because like,
Bro, marriage and love is just overrated. I wanna lie to you.
for real, especially marriage, my boy. Just imagine, just imagine, boy. Uyahamba ushada umuntu, right? Ushada umuntu, then when you all break up, you'll have to split 50-50, boy. Your hard work, money and everything, boy, like you gotta split it and shit.
It's hard for the man. The woman doesn't have to do anything. Especially nowadays with love, bruh. Normally people are just saying I love you to get whatever they want.
Straight up. Oh, bro, you too cute, bro. You gonna take away my subscribers, right?
Why are you gay?
Yeah, whatever. But to be honest, bruh, if you check, most people they just say I love you and then they get whatever they want. They don't even know what does I love you mean. People want love nowadays. They don't need love, if you know what I'm talking about. You remember back at school when you learned about needs and wants? You can want something but not need it.
You don't need it. You just want it.
Exactly. Yeah, so people nowadays they just want love. And then once they get it, they just throw it all away.
For real.
So, bruh, it's gents. Gents, don't fall in love because you want to, but fall in love because you need to.
Bro, when you speak, you make me wanna blush.
Nah, straight up, dog. Don't fall in love because you want to. Fall in love because you need to.
You need to.
Nah, I want love, bruh. I want to be in a relationship. I want Mjolo, bruh.
Perfect.
Well, I can give you real love.
You already do, so what you talking about?
No. Like, I mean, like real love. Like,
Yeah, you already give me real love, so I don't know what you're talking about.
no, Nish, like, you're not getting my point.
Nah, I get your point.
When I say I can give you real love, like, cover, real love, boy.
Bombastic side eye.
What do you mean real love?
You'd want real love. What if I say I can give you real love? Like, I can offer you real love.
You are mad, son.
No, like, think about it. I mean, bro, like, we have a connection.
There's nothing to think about.
There is.
There is nothing to think about. My guy, I'm jumping the fence.
Why?
And I'll never jump the fence.
I'm not loving this guy right now.
I like it again. You say that alone, I mean.
Only if you allow me to give you real love.
I ilipek ala confetti. Kishapka vibe.
Okay, bro, like, see a nyash now.
Drop price. Yo! Hey, me a nyash.
Bro, leave the nyash, bro. Focus. Lock in.
You see, when you're starting TikTok, of course you're not gonna get views and whatever because you're still starting. But don't give up, just keep posting. Put your face out there. Until you start seeing it.
There was something. Trust, there was a my bad. But like, there was
Aputi.
like for real, bro. Like, guys, you took up. I'm gonna zoom the video. There was like
Aputi.
tough.
Sugar. Keep posting.
How about you post about us? It's
I'm quite a man, yeah, you are finishing my muscles.
And what TV? I like.
Hey.
I like.
Hey. Drop price, son. But yeah, you see, when you're still pushing
do
like
this for the
100,
Let me see.
if
Do
you
it
buy,
again.
man,
I wanna finish the potato.
So as I
I
was
wanna
saying,
finish
you
the
know,
potato now.
nah,
Do it. Let me see.
hey bo, babut, spathe kahle ne ID.
Anginayo.
Sugar,
Eventually.
illegal, jumpy board.
We are the border jumpers.
Man, who's we? Who is we?
Yo.
Yeah, I'm illegal here. No, I'm legal.
We are both shared now.
I score.
The time when we jump borders, we come here, we start popping.
I'm
That's just
legal.
that's just
I'm
how it
legal.
goes.
I'm legal. So please, people, don't come for me, ne? I'm legal. But yeah, if you're new to TikTok, post. Let's say if you're posting 10 times a day or 10 videos a day, that's fine. Push until you start seeing yourself around 10K or 5K. You start limiting, posting less. Now you're posting 8 videos or 7 videos a day. When you reach my 10K, you go down again. Now you're posting like 4 videos a day. And then when you start seeing yourself around 20K, now don't post every time because people get bored of your face. Because if you keep on posting and people keep on seeing your videos on their FYP constantly, they will just get bored. Like, let's say you post 5 videos on that day. The first video, it comes on my FYP, I see you, I'll like it, probably engage in the video, watch it until the end, and then I'll scroll 5 times, and then I see you again, I'll be like, oh, that's coincident, I see you twice, and then I'll probably just like and watch until half, and then scroll, and then when I see you the 3rd time again, I'm gonna be like, hi man, now you see, and then people won't even watch. That's why you see yourself having so many views, like 500 views, and then you only have 12 likes. Because people now, they're tired of seeing.
Not even 12, 2.
Oh, 2, you see. So it's best if you just start posting like 3, and then that's enough maybe for that week alone, and then you go again maybe next week again, and then you post. Like, don't post all the time, but when you start posting, post constantly. Shame, let them get bored of your face. Post.
I'm also feeling motivated. Starting to feel like I just started a TikTok account.
How would it? Start your price.
Can I tell you something though? Like, bro, like you won't understand though, like the way I feel about you.
I feel sick when man top rice when
No, like, bro.
Hey.
Wait. You see?
Not so charge. No,
No, I didn't say it like that. Did I say
top price?
Did I say I was?
That's what you meant.
Did I say I was?
That's what you meant.
I wouldn't say it like that. I would just say like I'm into you, not like I'm not gay, but I'm into you. Like, I want to say something. We can work something out. Trust, it can work. I can do anything for you.
Why are you gay?
Who said I'm gay?
You are gay.
I'm not gay.
Hi.
How are you, mommy?
Guys,
come see my wife. Come see my wife.
Milambe.
Bro, I just chopped it off. Come say hi to my subscribers.
Subscribers, nkosi yami, yazi incho price abudi.
Come here, 2 minutes, 2 seconds. Bro, just look at my wife, bro. Just look at my wife, man. Say hi to the subscribers.
Bayambiza man, yekele. Bayambiza phakathi.
Back me, okay. Okay, bro. Like, let's wrap this up, bro. Like, I love you like that. Listen, boy. Let me talk. Let me talk.
No.
See, top
price.
Listen. Okay. You the man. Listen to you. Yeah, Baba.
Hey.
Neshi, listen. Ne.
Yo, Nyash. You see Nyash.
You don't understand.
Nah, I see Nyash. I die for Nyash.
I have Nyash too.
I'm a Nyash warrior.
I have Nyash too.
Abu, you got a chop price right now.
Don't charge me.
You got no mungang pega. Ay,
I won't tell you.
Ay, saying that I am Tata.
He's mine.
That is me. My man. Yabo.
So you missing up
Right.
the cam. You missing that.
Fetch you look him. Mouse over acting gay here, ne? When I go home, Zwan,
I'm not sure. I just love the opposite gender. Actually, I don't love the opposite gender. I love you.
What's the suit? I'm nigga, mina.
Well, you can. I mean, like, if this is a nice try game, my song. Yeah, wait.
Don't be a nigga to me. What's your name? What?
1 year.
1 year, Lawana. What is this? It's an iPhone.
Get iPhone, you think?
Get iPhone, too. Ah, kitse bien.
Wait.
Ah, kitse bien.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Tell me how handsome you look. You look so handsome, yo.
Bombastic
You look just
side
like my
eye.
heart. I love chocolate.
I feel so uncomfortable right now. Please behave yourself.
I'm trying. Bro, Nation, bro, be for real, bro. Do you love me, yes or no?
No.
Why?
Zed.
Oh, we look so perfect together.
Oh, says who? Says who? Says who? Shy, sorry. Hey, you get more Sunny. Eat the way you know what eat.
But look, we look so perfect together. don't we? How, bro, don't leave the frame. Don't. Okay, I won't cut. Yo, bruh, this nigga. Don't do that. Why are you doing me like that? Bruh, I've known you for like 10 years. Bruh. For more than 10 years. But I still love you, though. That won't change the way I feel like. Bruh, don't be now everything I'm gonna I can't advise. It's a prank. It's a prank. I said it's a prank.
Drink it.
To text. I said it's a prank. Listen, I'm safe. It's a prank, bruh. It's a prank. It's a prank. I don't even know if that was a W prank. Was it a W prank?
No, prank my friend.
Did you think I'm gay like for real?
No. Because I know Rata di Wunu Hana. What is Rata?
Brother, it's not me, man.
Pow.
Zoro Rata. Nyash. That thing that goes boing boing. That body go boing.
I like him like this. But you look like you got a big nyash. Which one? By Chitela.
I'm cheating us back. Chatting to back.
By Chitela. By Chitela. Like, I mean, I'm about Chitela, guys. Anyways, man, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's go to. Maybe when I drop this video, we're gonna be at 6K subs. I don't know, maybe. But I'm gonna drop another testing Kwawab. I don't know when. I got more content coming soon, and I got a feature with him. Smash or pass. I got pranks and whatever. I got a lot of shit coming in. You locked in, right?
Locked in tight like a booty hole.